Hey everyone, it's Mel and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to the Ave. In today's video, I will just be doing a protective style. Since we are heading into the fall and winter time, I thought it would be the perfect time to go ahead and show you all how I protect my hair during these times. During this time. So what you want to do during the fall and the winter time is basically tuck away your ends. So what I'm going to basically do is a regular twist out, and then I'm going to pin the twist out up so you can see how I tuck away my ends even more. So yeah, let's get into this styling video. Let's go. Oh, wait, pause. Scratch that. Before we even get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm going to wait. And then after you hit the subscribe button, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can be informed whenever I upload a new video. The little notification will just pop up on your laptop, pop up on your telephone, cell phone, whatever, and you will see little old me. So make sure you're subscribed. Also, as you can see, I am starting off on dry hair. I pretty much blow dried my roots and I didn't even touch my ends at all. When I blow dry, I don't focus on my ends at all. I just blow dry the roots and that's it. And also a little update on the little edges that's growing back. I actually see little baby hairs, so I'm actually really excited, y'all. I'm so excited. My edges are going back. We are back. We are back in business. We are back.
Do you all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize,
This is when you were broke and poor.
You know, right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million.
Now sis is done. We are done. This is a great way to protect your hair during the holiday season, during the winter season, during the fall season. We are at the time where we need to protect our ends and we need to protect our hair in general, so you know, we don't gotta touch it, we don't gotta manipulate it. Literally all we have to do is just take the headscarf off and go, baby. This is a quick, easy, protective hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, y'all, and like. Subscribe and like, and hit the notification bell. Subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. All right, so that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, peace. Alright, let's do this, man. I'm filming, Dad. I cannot. I see how I told you they check on me every few minutes, y'all boys. Okay, y'all, I'm out.